Biar kamal kanwar I channel mijiram yedit gorab subscribe. Kami jiram itatanun gorab notification vel bijale bako yum chinedor avlut be monajiki pet. Gua biar to kamal.
Gua be subscribe manan be twang. Be more like. He be notification bell be twang comment ador upload be majiki pet. Go along.
رئيس الجمهورية وجه الوالي بتاع جونغل ستيت دكتور يغاي كوك عشان نجو كتيم بتاع غريتا كوبو في مقاطعة أورور نجي نقابل زين مروي داكويل دام غادكويس وده زول تاع سلام رجل تاع سلام ده ياونتي شوفتو أنا قاعدين مع ناس كتير الجيش بتاع الحكومة والجيش بتاع المعارضة و30 وشباب كلهم موجودين. قد كويس أكلنا إنه أنا وقفت مع رئيس الجمهورية وحاكم بتاع ولاية جونغل في توزيعات بتوعهم. إنه لما يكون في سلام في جنوب السودان إننا كالو إننا سلام.
And it's important to mention that we have been sent by His Excellency Dr. Guy Cook, the Governor of Jongle State. And we have come to Uror County in Lone Nuer to meet with the Quip. In other words, Gogdang. He's the spiritual leader of the Lone Nuer, and at the same time, he's the leader of the White Army. The bottom line of our visit is to first of all convey or to disseminate the message from our President, His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit, to the Lone Nuer community and to the spiritual leader, Dakwet, and the White Army, that His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit extended his appreciation and gratitude to Lone Nuer community for portraying the spirit of peace. And this spirit of peace was demonstrated by the Lone Nuer White Army when they received the SSPDF in Shwil and Dini Payam. As a sign of appreciation to the Lone Nuer, that is actually the reason to why His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit appointed the son of Lone Nuer, Dr. Guy Cook, as the Governor of Jongle State. The message from the spiritual leader to all South Sudanese is that Lone Nuer, this time around, we are for peace. And we are supporting the leadership of His Excellency Salva Kiir Mayardit.
The government of Jongle State, with the high reception that we received today, we received the team sent by my state governor, led by my Minister of Youth and Sport, that have sent to us the team. We here therefore send the message that may the God bless this nation and continue in peace, so that get services supply to the counties of the nation.
Nerekwar Salva Kiir Mayardit kama alamedi long an go biang da kuida nere bol mel kama alamedi long agan da kuida nere ya kama alamedi nere doctor ya Guy Cook kama alamedi long milariye amal mal jeni fi naal jeni la fi way كورسل ملالة ينا توك هذا ما نبار دور ما كجون عليه وانا ما يصير لما بيكور تات أن كانوا ودنا بنات مال نكديا إنجيل ووجه شوي كدوتون وان إنجيل سيلا كورمي بعجوا كتيروي وانا إنجيل ده نيل كوني تشوف كأجا كذا بين كمال كذا نيور كمال إنجيل Lone Nuer Borcher Hai gan Borcher leje tani maltin yana bugo idan fit kan gub da am da kweda